Where is Temu product affiliate link? So before we begin, you can click on my link below to sign up as a Temu affiliate so you can follow along this tutorial and start earning some money. So guys, for this video, I will be showing you two methods. So first thing that you will do is of course go to the search bar over here and search for affiliate to be redirected to the affiliate page. And now from here on the left side of the screen, you should be able to see here pick items. And now over here on the picks item, as you can see right away, you should be able to see here multiple product that you can choose from. And when you choose a product, you should be able to click on share over here. And after that, you should be able to copy the template over here, or you can just simply copy the link only. And guys, as you can see, you should be able to see here your maximum commission as well. So guys, this will be the first method, and you can use the search bar over here to search for a specific item. And now another option that you have as well is click on convert link over here. So now here on the convert link, you should be able to provide the Temu item link. So just simply go to Temu guys. And here on the Temu, let's say I'm going to promote this one over here. So I'm going to click on it. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see this button over here. And you can just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here. So click on it. And after that, just simply go to the affiliate page that we have. And now from here, just simply provide the link that we want to convert and click on get item link. And as you can see, guys, we should be able to convert the link over here, and we can just simply go ahead and click on copy, and from there we should be able to share it to our friend as well. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out understand more about product affiliate link, and thanks for watching.